Hello my friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Noor Online Tech. Today I want to talk to you, the small YouTuber, the beginner, the person who upload videos. Sometime you feel nobody's watching. Maybe you feel like giving up. Maybe you feel your channel is stuck. I want to tell you this. Don't give up. Keep going. Every big YouTube you see today start with zero subscriber, 0 view. They were just like you. They uploaded, they struggled, they doubt themselves, but the only difference is they did not quit. They always keep on pushing. I know it is not easy, You spend your time making a video, editing, uploading, and at the end you get 10 views, maybe even less. And you ask yourself, is this worth it? The answer is yes, it is worth it, because every video you make is a step forward. Every video teaches you something new. Success on YouTube does not come overnight, It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes hard work. But if you stay consistent, if you keep learning, if you keep improving, your time will come. Remember this, people are watching, even if numbers are small. Maybe 20 people, maybe 50 people, but those are real human beings. If you can touch one life, inspire one person, or make one person smile, then your video has meaning. Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday. Are your video better today than they were last month? Are you learning new skill? If yes, then you are growing. My message to you is simple. Keep uploading, keep improving, keep improving yourself, keep believing in yourself. Keep uploading more videos, because one day the video you upload will be the one that take off. One day the subscriber will come, but that will only happen if you keep going. So, to all small YouTubers out there, your journey is hard, but you are not alone. We are all on the same path. Let's support each other. Let's grow together, and let's never give up. Thank you for listening. Yene diala koni li encourage me. Do balari yemdera do ko jin gor jen wo diri let. En wale dong diri kujen wo tele mo gwa mileti. Jin rami paitung YouTube channel. Paitung na lat. No. Kie jin bo tike video nti chilas ko online nu nti upload ki your YouTube channel. No. But gwijen wo teram gwinyin kula wila the video dong bi gwich nedi chopo well keep jingni 10 view alo teram gwinyin ko jino stale ji subscriber. So bro jigano tele gwa witen you are not moving balar jikel man gore jen wo jin bi give up ni chang gore jen wo bi jawo ni ko jen duobo dana bo nyam keje so werka wonyam can YouTube very non nen konke ne konte ke YouTube not dit keden te subscriber to one to kana kabang changa subscriber teleja to grana ke 0 subscriber amenimo chapido terneran ke 0 view ke tugde cherkan ke jike cherkan ka lara jio ne ken chike chuj ba ko biran ve video be jalat ameno ve video be upload ke YouTube de so ken chicken akulon no chicken be palan mandana chicken to they never wanted to give up jen ndana nda kon keke ko ken larana to bi chuditin shi gorno bi japal so many jin ba tama mishi be pal be keep on uploading more videos alo jin be jina consistent come down lady you will grow. So ngay no ngajen wo chet yakane me ko ngay kono no YouTube lada beja ban men bu ngajene ne tele way me de repeat ke je michelet sometime de give up and hen ana lan video na edit ka ba ka upload ka tele viewer te jaga ka tele subscriber te jaga shanga ne wel chicken do nagwich ke viewer dang well la tene 0 view teten badire ni guje no tele lot batike lot kodi mite chaka teram kel mu we ka dunde nyodo jeno ne de to nen kan mu gwa kaje mi jaga ko ci bitedi ci bi give up you need to keep on Okay? Guaya. Go again go by your tip me. Don't do any amkaje. Me create this channel. Don't teach channel one, but go again or dairy channel already and dairy in your leverage. Just as a tip, something go a day rep your ba, ala day your boost. Okay, guasa me go again or gin, book YouTube. Nial guasa me, twine plus sign kadundu, work a YouTube. Ke simple meeting mobile, but dairy larva, work a YouTube. YouTube.com. Simply do that. Mishi trying guasame take to be good. So we are not here for this. Just simply click Medinial Guathaman button me. We're a YouTube sharing here. So we're a setting Guatham setting Japan. Let me move this camera. Go will be contacting it. Okay. Go will be setting jene setting bichu twine. Michi twine bajin on Guathaman channel. So Guatham did reject channel status and future. Create a new channel, view advanced setting. A man cocaine diality tenant in Guatman. But con go con create a new channel. Just a small thing go road in your career. Michi twine, begin on Guatame, be you gonna select picture and then select the name. So there is sure down a go day Larry. Should. Okay? Your name. K your channel name. Okay? Be la the Guatman like your channel be Latin and then behandle Bamugurja deriga money. After Michi talk, do create channel. Neme dera kilm delel. Yomugur jeno luji jong Michi talk, she enter right now. Me dong Michi talk, then be ben jog guadaman. We don't be refresh here. Michi refresh, but when the al guadami. So dear name guadaman, okay? Go jeno binen. Ni al guadami Michi twine. Buwaka Michelele, a switch I can, which you twine. Michi twine, you switch I can. Me take a channel, me pay create a temper ben ping guasamani. But go tell channel Michi create yet. But Gorjano, they use Mugurjano did take a channel to one. So, Name, oh, they ran there one young key, they ran to the give up. So, an banyo jeka video ready and shoot your puritan gin, be channel may be one cocaine. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Because that's the only way that I will grow. So, make sure you subscribe, new gen hotel button. So, go to gen or dairy, there subscribe. Kade notification bell did you trying. Misha video mi je dicha ja larech then be chama la chobe kiji go kon gor kon bana pit gor kon baro dan lok gor kon bana chonken ko jen dob dan bana woni am keje tele dob do dien ge dob let konam te ga dan walung di chalad te dere quainten you know ko dere project dum YouTube dere jeto ban mi kiji mana an dere lat gor je bo on dere na dere kete dere comment gwas mena de ngajen wojin ku struggle. And will be YouTube charge go to one, go no be take a mobile phone. Me check take a camera, check a camera. Then talk the rest of the thing by you look at me ideas the age on your years, quite niche do keep project be a lady, go no be focus kakel. So on a me agenda go de no kel ban yo jik, come to dien, ka queen hishka, ka dob down the YouTube did a grow. But what I can say, never give up.